Every atom is composed of a nucleus and electrons. The nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. The electrons of an atom are attracted to the protons by electromagnetic force and moving around the nucleus in the electron shell. Each electron shell can hold different number of electrons. The first electron shell can hold 2 electrons. The second electron shell can hold 8 electrons. The third electron shell can hold 18 electrons. The number of electrons that each shell can hold is determined by the 2n² rule.
How can we draw electron diagrams? Take sodium as an example. It contains 11 electrons. First, write the chemical symbol. Then, draw the electron shells. Finally, fill up them with electrons according to the capacity of each electron shell. That will be the electron diagram of sodium atom. And the electronic configuration by numbering will be 281. Here are other examples: fluorine, magnesium, and chlorine. For calcium, it has 20 electrons with the 2882 electronic configuration. You may have a question that why not 2810? It can be explained by the atomic orbitals. Orbital describes where an electron can be found in an atom. There are different kinds of orbital. For s orbital, it can hold 2 electrons. For p orbitals, they can hold 6 electrons in total. For d orbitals, they can hold 10 electrons in total. For f orbitals, they can hold 14 electrons in total. Here are the shapes of different orbitals. Each orbital can hold 2 electrons. For s, it has only one orbital which can hold 2 electrons. For p, there are 3 kinds of p orbitals which can hold 6 electrons in total. For d, there are 5 orbitals and they can hold 10 electrons in total. For f, there are 7 f orbitals which can carry 14 electrons. For the first electron shell, there is one s orbital so that it can only carry 2 electrons at most. For the second electron shell, there are s orbital and p orbitals. Therefore, it can carry 8 electrons. For the third electron shell, it consists of s, p, d orbitals which can hold 18 electrons. And finally, for the fourth electron shell, it can hold up to 32 electrons. Different orbitals will have different energy level. The orbital with the lowest energy level is 1s, and it is followed by 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, and 3d. Please be reminded that the 4s orbital are lower energy level than 3d orbitals. Now take sodium as example again. It has 11 electrons and the orbitals will be filled up with electrons starting from the lowest energy level, 1s. Finally, we got 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1 electronic configuration of sodium atom. It is also the same as 281. The first electron shell holds 2 electrons, the second one holds 8 electrons in total, and the last electron is on the third electron shell. Now, we do the same thing for calcium and fill up the orbitals with 20 electrons. It comes to an electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2. It explains why the electronic configuration by numbering is 2882 instead of 2810. That's all about atomic orbitals. And here are more examples. Hope you enjoyed this video. Learning chemistry is always started with a question. Tell me your question in your comment.